question asks us to draw the curved arrow notation for this particular reaction. What I notice as the difference between the reactants and the products is the nitrogen now has a new bond to this hydrogen, and there's no longer a bond between hydrogen and chlorine. Furthermore, I notice this nitrogen has a lone pair in the reagents, but does not in the products, and chlorine has 3 lone pairs in the reagents and 4 in the products. To draw the curved arrow notation for this reaction, then, I can start with the lone pair on nitrogen and use these electrons to form a new bond to this hydrogen. That will form the new nitrogen-hydrogen bond, but it will build up too much electron density around this hydrogen. To fix that, then, I'll take the electrons in the hydrogen-chlorine bond and use those electrons to use an arrow to push those electrons onto the chlorine. This breaks the hydrogen-chlorine bond and puts a new lone pair onto chlorine. This forms these products, and this will be the curved arrow notation for this particular acid-base reaction.